This is numbers 13 through 16 on the study guide. On this one, we were not given a figure. So anytime you were given information, make sure you draw a figure because it will help you be more accurate in solving the problem. It says ABC is a right triangle. AB is the hypotenuse, so we're going to make this the hypotenuse. Angle B is 70 degrees. And AC is 10. So I need a C here and I need a 10. So it says, what's the measure of angle A? Well, look, we've already got two angles inside here, so they have to add up to be 180. So 180 minus 90 minus 70 leaves me with a 20-degree angle for measure of angle A. Then it says, what's the length of AB? So we're going to be trying to solve for this. Notice that we've got opposite, and then this would be the hypotenuse. So we're going to be dealing with sine. So sine of 70 degrees, always sine of whatever the angle is. What's the opposite? 10 over the hypotenuse is x. Now x is in the denominator. Can't have it there. So we're going to multiply both sides here by x. Those cancel. So we have x sine of 70 is equal to 10. If we divide both sides here by sine of 70, what happens is that this cancels and it tells me what my x is. So what we're looking for is 10 divided by sine of 70, and that leaves me with a side length here of approximately 10.6. So that's going to be the length of AB. Then it says, what's CB? Now technically you've got two sides here, so you could use Pythagorean theorem to find the third. However, the danger is that you rounded this answer. So we're going to go back to trig to find this to be more accurate. But again, it is feasible to actually use Pythagorean theorem on using both of these measures. All right, CB would be this. I'm going to call this y. And if you'll notice, that would be opposite is the 10 from the angle of 70, and then this would be adjacent. So we have an opposite and adjacent, which means we should be using tangent of 70 is equal to opposite 10 over adjacent y. Again, got to get the y out of the denominator, so we're going to multiply both sides here by y, so these cancel. So then I'm left with y tangent of 70 is equal to 10. And then if I divide both sides here by tangent of 70, the tangents will cancel. And then in my calculator, I'm going to do 10 divided by tangent of 70 degrees, and I get approximately 3.6. Finally, this question here says, fill in the blank. Cosine of B. Look at where B is. Remember, cosine of B and sine have a relationship. They're complements of each other. So if we have cosine of B, that's the same as the sine of its other acute angle, which would be this one, A. So cosine of B is the same as sine of A. And look, let me show you. Cosine of B would be y over x. If I did sine of A, that's opposite y over hypotenuse x. So I'm still getting a y over x. So there's your final answer.